Whitewashing a fireplace can add character to a dated room. Before you begin, the bricks need to be cleaned. Mix a little TSP or trisodium phosphate with water and use it on a scrub brush to clean the brick surface and the mortar joints between. Now, this is important to remove soot stains and create a clean surface so the whitewash will adhere well. When the bricks are completely dry, mix up your whitewash. Now, we're using ordinary flat white latex paint mixed with water at a 1-to-1 ratio. Dampen the bricks with water on a paintbrush before you begin will help them absorb the stain more evenly. Begin applying the whitewash lightly until you get a feel for the texture of the bricks. In this case, they have a rough surface, so dragging the brush over them lightly leaves lots of nooks and crannies with the natural brick color. If you apply too heavily in one area, some of the whitewash can be dabbed off with a rag. When it's complete, the surface should vary from light to dark, creating interest in what was a bland brick wall.